wish it really happened like
That's how it should have happened.
That's how it should have happened.
That's literally how it should have happened. Did something to him? They return of the Mac. The Mac is back.
What it do, baby? Back again with another reaction. Today we have My Hero Cats, the full fight, Overhaul versus Deku and Lemillion. And yeah, we just gonna get straight to it. Welcome to that city, welcome to that culture, welcome to the What It Do crew. Hit the subscribe button right now, baby.
Yeah.
For this My Hero Cats, you feel me? Let's go, let's get it. We out here with it. Cool bars.
Dylan Goo.
Overhaul. Lemillion.
Close the ad.
Huh?
Close the ad.
Oh. We watched a piece of this a while ago. Now it all makes sense. Yeah. It all makes sense.
Wow, bitch.
Hey, he was whooping his ass.
Hey, bro, he was beating the dog to that. That nigga really hard, bro.
That nigga hard.
That nigga hard. Bam!
Oh, this pork be gone.
This nigga really beating the dog shit off this man.
Blast my man. Lost his pork. I wish it really happened like
That's how it should have happened.
That's how it should have
That's
happened.
literally how it should have happened.
It's
Now, granted, I do think Eri-chan is gonna be able to give him his quirk back. She's gonna be able to turn back the time to give him his quirk back. I hope that's what happened. But it all depends on if she ever learns to master her power. But it seems like it's tied directly to her emotional state. So I don't know if that's something she'll be able to do. The outdoorian. Damn.
the outdoorian. 20%.
Come here.
Get your ass out of here.
Bitch.
Oh, okay. Okay. Whooping that ass.
Bro, Dylan Goo is fucking great. This nigga hard. Dylan, if you're watching this, you're phenomenal. If you ever want to come on an episode of Interaction where we react with the creator, hey, come on, comment down below because we love to interact with you, bro. Because
this is how it should have went.
He's really dirtballing this man.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Because I think we saw the first half of this, right?
We saw just a little piece. I don't remember what it was.
Yeah, I think we only saw the first 2 minutes.
Still happen.
I think we saw this part too. Didn't we?
I don't remember, bruh. I don't remember.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. See? Yeah, we did. I remember. Goes in and out. This is where it stops.
Got it! Let's go! Let's go!
I'm not gonna lie, I would play a cat game loosely based around the show. I would definitely play this.
It reminds me of like a Lego game.
It does. Nigga, get your ass out of here.
Through the god damn.
I'm coming for you.
Shit. Shit. I ain't gonna lie. I was Deku, I would have been laying them all.
Bro.
I would have been bing, 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 bing. Cause he get to experience his full power, I would have been laying them hoes. What a finger! What a finger!
Get your ass up here, nigga. Done.
He about to punch the shit out of him. Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Kill that nigga! Kill that nigga! Kill that nigga, bro! Beat his ass!
That's what I'm talking about.
Meow, do where you beat that nigga ass!
Damn! Hit the ground at supersonic.
Nigga, I ain't gonna lie, that nigga Lord!
That nigga look like a last Super Saiyan. Back down.
Hey Gurus, Dylan here. Just want to let you know that the My Hero Academia Cat pins are going to be available only for a limited time.
Dylan,
so make sure you get one from DylanGoo.com before they run out.
Yo,
You're hard.
Dylan, we would genuinely love to have you on the show.
You're hard.
Because you're fucking awesome, dude.
Fucking awesome. God damn it. That was fucking great. Now that I watched the show and I understand what the fuck's going on, that was fucking even greater than it was the first time.
Exactly.
So, that's gonna do it, y'all. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.